In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Calendly plan. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool that helps you manage your appointments and meetings seamlessly. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger team, choosing the right subscription plan can make all the difference in unlocking the features you need. So, if you're ready to adjust your plan to better suit your workflow, stick with me as I guide you through each step of the process. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to www.calendly.com. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the login button. Go ahead and click that to get started. Now, you'll need to log in using your preferred method. If you've connected Calendly to your Google account, simply click the Continue with Google option and select the Google account associated with your subscription. Alternatively, if you're not using Google Login, you can manually enter your email address and password to access your account. Take a moment to ensure you're logging into the correct account tied to your Calendly subscription. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your Calendly dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all your events, settings, and more. From here, we'll need to locate the Admin Center. Depending on your version, you might find it in the left-hand menu, or it may appear as an option under the drop-down menu when you click your profile picture in the top right corner. Look for the section labeled Admin Center and click on it. Now that you're in the Admin Center, it's time to dive into your account settings. Here, locate the section labeled Billing. It may take a moment to spot, so take your time scrolling through the options. Once you find it, click to open the Billing section. In the Billing area, you'll see all the details about your current subscription plan, including what features are available to you and your current payment terms. This is also where you can explore other plan options that Calendly offers. Take your time to review the available plans and compare the features and pricing. Think about your specific needs, whether you're looking for more integrations, advanced analytics, or team scheduling tools, and choose the plan that best fits your requirements. Once you've decided on the plan that works for you, it's time to select it. Look for the button or link that allows you to either select or upgrade to your chosen plan. Before you confirm, double-check all the plan details, including the pricing and any terms or conditions that may apply. Keep in mind that upgrading or downgrading your plan might result in immediate changes to your account and billing, so it's worth taking an extra moment to ensure everything looks good before proceeding. After verifying the plan details, go ahead and confirm your selection. Once you do, Calendly will process the change, and your account will update accordingly. Finally, it's important to monitor your billing cycle after making this change. Depending on when you switch plans, there might be prorated charges or credits applied to your account. This ensures you're only paying for what you use, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on your next billing statement for any adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your subscription plan in Calendly. By selecting the right plan for your needs, you can make the most out of this powerful scheduling tool. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.